So good morning everyone. So today we will discuss another topic of big data unit 1, that is web analytics. So basically web analytics, what is this? It is used to measure collection and reporting of web data. If we will in general if we will say that it will tell about your web page, that purpose इसका क्या है? For understanding and optimizing web page, that how much visitors are coming to your website, what is the count, what is the number of visitors, number of page views कितने हैं, that is tell or you can find out with using the web analytics. So if we are talking about that number, it tells about the number of visitors or how many visitors have come to your website and how many views has been done on your web page. So it's not just about that only. So web analytics, it's not just measuring the traffic but also working as a tool for business and market research. Why we are saying that it is working as a business and market research tool? Because we are just finding all these things, that it will find the number of visitors, number of page views, and how much your website is approaching to the viewers, and what is the traffic on your website, and कितने लोगों तक उसकी approach है. And after this we will build the business strategy based on this, and then we will decide the business goals and objectives based on this. So basically we will take these things as an input and then design our business strategies based on these web analytics. So I think this is clear what is a web analytics. Web analytics is the measurement and reporting of your web data, and it will provide the information about number of visitors on your web page and number of page views, how many viewers have viewed your page. So if we are talking about the steps of web analytics process, so it has the basic 4 steps. That is, first is collection of data. So first we just collect the data, and then next that drives to the processing the data into information. Then we will process that data we have collected here, will convert that data into information, and after this developing key performance indicators, means that is influenced by the typical that data and that data. After this it drives the formulating online strategies. If we will study in detail, so collection of data tells you about the typical count, means how many visitors has been come here to view your web page, to come to your website, and processing the data into information. Then with the help of this typical count we will find out the typical ratio. Then based on typical count and typical ratio, these both things influence the business strategies. So we will start making the business strategy on the basis of the typical count and typical ratio. After this, in formulating online strategy, what we will do? We will establish online goals or business goals based on the standard of the organization. So on the basis of this, we will decide our goals and objectives. So basically, if we will talk about that both web analytics, why we are studying this, and basically it is used to improve the effectiveness of your website. By using this web analytics concept, we can improve the effectiveness of our website. So if we are talking about the effectiveness of any website, basically why we are making any website, we are making so that we can approach to the maximum people. So by using this, how we can increase our visitor, how we can increase our views, how we can reach to the maximum people, this is all done here. We will take it as an input, create the business strategy, and then decide the organization goal. Okay. So there is 2 types of technologies here, that is web analytics technologies, that is off-site analytics and online analytics, or you can say on-site analytics. So if we are talking about the off-site analytics, So it's just measure and analysis. इसमें क्या होगा, ऑफ साइड में वो सिर्फ मेजर करेगा और एनालिसिस करेगा रिगार्डलेस टू मेंटेन वेबसाइट, मीन्स इट विल नॉट डू एनी चेंजेस. सिर्फ वो मेजर कर रहा है, इट विल डू द मेजर हाउ, मीन्स क्या ट्रैफिक है उसका और कितने नंबर ऑफ विजिटर्स पे है. सो इट विल नॉट गिविंग एनी चेंजेस और इट इज नॉट थिंकिंग अबाउट टू मेंटेन द वेबसाइट और टू डू द चेंजेस, रिक्वायर्ड चेंजेस. ठीक है. एंड इन ऑनलाइन एनालिटिक्स वी आर queries about the performance of the website, means what is the performance of the website, we will find out this. And we are curious about the visitors location, if it is possible that we can use the geolocation here to find out the visitor location. Means we can also find the visitor is from which region and which regions visitor are mostly viewed our website. ठीक है. So this is our web analytics technology, offsite and online. This is all about this topic. Topic is web analytics that is used to measure and provide the reporting of your web data. Basically, in general term, we can say it will measure the traffic of your web page, but basically it will use to improve the effectiveness of your website. So basically, it will provide the two information, that is number of visitors and number of views, and it works as an input into this, and then we can build the business strategies and our business goals to achieve or to reach to the maximum people. ठीक है. These are the 4 basic steps I'll tell you. Collection of data, then convert that data into information. यहाँ पे हम develop कर रहे हैं performance indicators, and now we are just formulating ऑनलाइन स्ट्रेटेजी. यहाँ पे हम उसको पुट कर रहे हैं. इसमें हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं टिपिकल काउंट. हेयर वी विल फाइंड आउट टिपिकल रेशियो, एंड हेयर वी विल बिल्ड द बिजनेस स्ट्रेटेजी बेस्ड ऑन द टिपिकल काउंट एंड टिपिकल रेशियो, एंड देन पुट these strategies as in business goal. Okay, this is done.